Hi there, I'm Helen and I'm a creative lead at Enact Solutions. Enact are an experiential learning organisation which promote positive change, and we are really excited to be delivering at the Powerful Women Conference 2023. Our session is called Productive Conversations, and it's ultimately focused around supporting women in their career. Have you ever thought, am I being overlooked for career development opportunities? Or how do I speak to my employer about a pay rise? Or how do I broach that conversation and articulate my worth? Where do I start when it comes to having what might potentially be a challenging conversation? We'll be inviting you to channel your inner director and work with myself, our actors, and the videographer as part of the workshop. And together, we'll aim to create a resource that demonstrates best practice. What we'll then do is use that footage and share that resource with you, and then you can share that with your colleagues as well. As I've said, we promise a very practical, solutions-based session. It's going to be very interactive, but don't worry, you won't be required to do any acting. We've got the professionals for that. If you do have any questions about the workshop, feel free to drop me a message. My email address is at the bottom of the screen, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.